10 foods to avoid when trying to lose weight. Number 10. French fries and potato chips. Whole potatoes are healthy and filling, but French fries are not. They are very high in calories and it's easy to overindulge. A study found that potato chips may contribute to more weight gain per serving than any other food. Furthermore, don't be fooled by baked, roasted, or fried potatoes, as they may contain cancer-causing substances called acrylamides. Therefore, if you're going to eat potatoes, it's best to eat plain boiled potatoes. French fries and potato chips are unhealthy and fattening. Number 9. Sugary drinks. Sugar-sweetened beverages like soda are one of the most unhealthy foods in the world. They are strongly associated with weight gain and can have disastrous health effects when consumed in excess. Sugary drinks contain a lot of calories, but your brain does not register them like solid food. Liquid sugar calories do not make you feel full, and you won't eat less food to compensate. Instead, you end up adding these calories on top of your normal calorie intake, aiding in weight gain. If you're serious about losing weight, you should consider giving up the sugary drinks completely. Sugary drinks can negatively affect your weight and general health. Number 8. White bread. White bread is highly refined and often contains a lot of added sugar. White bread is on the glycemic index and can spike your blood sugar levels. Fortunately, there are many healthy alternatives, one being Ezekiel bread, which is probably the healthiest bread on the market. White bread is made from very fine flour and can spike your blood sugar levels and lead to overeating. Eating 2 slices of white bread daily is linked to a 40% greater risk of weight gain and obesity. Number 7. Candy bars. Candy bars are extremely unhealthy. Candy bars contain a lot of added sugar, added oil, and refined flour into a small package. Candy bars are high in calories and low in nutrients. An average-sized candy bar covered in chocolate can contain 200 to 300 calories. King-size candy bars can contain even more calories. Unfortunately, candy bars can be found everywhere. They are strategically placed in stores to tempt customers into buying them impulsively. If you are craving a snack, eat a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts instead. Candy bars are full of unhealthy ingredients. Number 6. Fruit juices. Most fruit juices you find at the supermarket have very little in common with whole fruit. Fruit juices are highly processed and loaded with sugar. Fruit juices contain just as much sugar and calories as soda, if not more. Fruit juice usually has no fiber and doesn't require chewing. This means that a glass of orange juice won't have the same effects on fullness as an orange, making it easy to consume large quantities in a short amount of time. Number 5. Pastries, cookies, and cakes. Pastries, cookies, and cakes are full of unhealthy ingredients like added sugar and refined flour. They may also include artificial trans fats, which are very harmful and linked to many diseases. Pastries, cookies, and cakes are not very satisfying, and you will likely become hungry very quickly after eating these high-calorie, low-nutrient foods. If you are craving something sweet, reach for a piece of dark chocolate instead. Number 4. Some types of alcohol, especially beer. The evidence for alcohol and weight gain is not clear. Drinking alcohol in moderation seems to be fine and is actually linked to reduced weight gain. Heavy drinking, on the other hand, is associated with weight gain. The type of alcohol also matters. Beer can cause weight gain, but drinking wine in moderation may actually be beneficial. Number 3. Ice cream. Ice cream is absolutely delicious, but extremely unhealthy. Ice cream is high in calories and most types are loaded with sugar. A small amount of ice cream from time to time is fine, but the problem with ice cream is that it's very easy to consume massive amounts in just one sitting. For a more healthy ice cream, consider making your own, using less sugar and healthier ingredients like full-fat yogurt and fruit. A healthy reminder is to serve yourself a small portion and put the ice cream away so that you won't end up eating too much. Number 2. Pizza. Pizza is an extremely popular fast food. However, commercially made pizzas also happen to be very unhealthy. Pizza is very high in calories and often contain unhealthy ingredients like highly refined flour and processed meat. If you want to enjoy a slice of pizza, try making a homemade pizza using healthier ingredients. Homemade pizza sauce is also healthier since supermarket varieties can contain a ton of sugar. Number 1. High-calorie coffee drinks. Coffee contains several biologically active substances, most importantly, caffeine. These chemicals can boost your metabolism and increase fat burning, at least in the short term. On the other hand, the negative effects of adding unhealthy ingredients such as artificial cream and sugar outweigh the positive effects. High-calorie coffee drinks are actually no better than sugary soda. They are loaded with empty calories that can easily equal a whole meal. If you like coffee, it's best to stick to plain black coffee when trying to lose weight.
That's it for today's video, folks. Thank you for tuning in to Top Shelf Health. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and click that like button. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button as well and become a part of the Top Shelf Health family.